Hey traders, welcome to episode 517 of the show. You could be doing anything, but you're here with a lot of stuff going on, right? I mean, we got 60 minutes coming up in less than an hour, right? Where they're potentially doing a hit piece or maybe they're just gonna be neutral on it. I don't know. I don't think anyone knows what to expect from this 60-minute, segment on Bitcoin, but will be interesting. Did a straw poll. Okay. Alrighty. Delal, man, just go through the YouTube or Twitch. You don't do the Midtrade TA. Just do my YouTube page. It's because I haven't gotten verified. I don't have the WordPress stuff because I have someone who manages my website for me. So, I'll get it eventually, but I wouldn't worry too much about it. Well, yeah, man, will be interesting. And then after that, we've got what tonight? Well, it's the last time I'll ever be able to use this thumbnail, really, I guess. Game of Thrones is over, man, forever after this. And really, it's because the show, the two directors or whatever producers, they wanted to work on Star Wars, so they rushed the living crap out of this season when there should have been probably another season after this. And that's it, man. Leaving a lot of people yearning for more or wanting something better, because there's a petition going around that over 500,000 people have signed wanting a remake of the last season of Game of Thrones, man. Been very disappointing for a lot of people. All right. And me kind of being one. And I'm all up into Game of Thrones. I've read all the books and all that stuff. So it really has been kind of disappointing, but life goes on, man. All right. So Bitcoin moves on, doesn't it? Bitcoin doesn't care about 60 minutes or Game of Thrones, and it had a nice break to the upside last night. Thought I'd be just taking maybe Saturday night off, but clearly Bitcoin doesn't want any of that, so we're back at it and over 8,000. Made it up to 8150, 8160 before selling off a little bit. I mean, just looking at the 60-minute, man, you're still above the 20 moving average. So really, really want to see 8,500 be broken, but I don't know if we're gonna get that, man. If you top out here, that's a lower high than your previous highs. That's not good. I don't care, man. A lower high on a rally than your previous highs, no bueno. All right, so you'd like to see us set up and run to 8,500 and then stall around there for a little bit and then just blast off, because if you break 8,500, talked about in the video, been talking about it really for a couple weeks now, 8,500 breaking that will yield you 9,000 almost automatically, because there's no resistance until you get to 9,000. It's really not even a strong resistance. It's just some psychological rounded number. Okay, hitting 9,000, it's almost like, why would you not hit 9,500, which is the beginning of the next overhead resistance zone, and we can see that on the daily, clear as day, no puns, right? So look, man, there's nothing here. All this Rudy poo, just straight up, straight down. All right, straight down, straight up, straight down. Guess what happens when you break resistances? You run straight up. If you can't break it, you run straight down. Okay, so that's where we are right now, and that's good, man. All right, thought we'd have a lot more issues down here, but man, we blasted through all this like nothing, dude, like butter. And it's just hold on, good God, that's loud. My bad, y'all. Sorry, just decibels pick up. Can't help it. So, man, 3 days of red and then one huge bullish engulfing candle to end the week. How much time do we have left? Isn't that 2 hours? Hour and 48 minutes left until what? The weekly close? What's our weekly look like? 3 huge green candles in a row, man. This is the weekly. Beautiful. But again, getting rejected at 8,500. So 4 hour, you're bullishly engulfing on the 4 hour. That's pretty nice. So the daily and the 4 hour are both bullishly engulfing. The weekly, just huge green candles running up to overhead resistance. Look on the weekly. This gives you more reason to believe if you broke 8,500, you're going straight up to 9,600, 9,500. Okay, there's nothing here. This is what we're talking about. When in doubt, go to the daily, but for the real vision, for overhead resistance, go to the weekly, and you can see it, man. There's nothing here. Nothing here till 9,600. So, weekly, remember the stat, overbought. Overbought for the first time since the Great FOMO as of last week, and continuing to rise in relative strength, 76. Remember, what was the date? The week of the date last time? It was like December 11th, December 18th, 2017. Been a long time, man. All right. Remember this whole winter, a lot of you were just investing in yourselves, learning this world of technical analysis of charts, recognizing them, identifying them, coinciding variables. All this time spent. It doesn't look like anything on the chart, but I know a lot of you have come a long way. All right. And that's amazing, dude. Okay. So, going back to 60-minute on Bitcoin. Descending broadening wedge, rising wedge, whatever, broke it, measure move hit. 8,000 SAFU for now. Stay above that 20 moving average. And again, I guess we go to the 4 hour just for a second. So you can see what I'm talking about. Bullish engulfing candle on the 4 hour. Let's go, dude. Let's go and run to 8,500. Thoughts on Stellar? What's up, man? Alright, so, you know, I mean, in my static video today, I definitely just looked at a bunch of just random altcoins on my watch list. I mean, they're major ones. They were the top, like, 10, I think. Most of them, anyway. So, dude, thank y'all for being here. Holy crap, man. It's a crazy, crazy Sunday. Bryce Jens, Stellar. Well, I mean, we can look at it, but remember, requests are $3 TTS.
3 white soldiers wishing you a good next week. Blow off top still possible. Retrace will be next. Don't forget, never straight line up. Cheers mate and cheers everyone.
Is that a join?
Sure, and we didn't have a straight line up. I mean, like, we just sold off for 3 days in a row, right? Red for 3 days, and now we're bullishly engulfing on the daily. And it looks like 4 hour and daily both want to see at least 83 to 8,500 again. And if you broke that, man, that's not a straight line up, right? It would have, the past 3 days would have been continuously breaking. So, yeah, blow off top at 10K, hopefully. Not at 8,500, that'd be nice. But yeah, I mean, again, do we really know if, I mean, I guess we do. With this wick right here, can we even regard it on the daily as some sort of retrace that we made? Maybe, but it was the CME gaps closing, gaps filling around the markets, right? I mean, that was what it was. And so, I mean, dude, again, everyone should have their alerts set up at like 8,400, okay, 8,500, like everyone in this chat. So, because if you break that, man, it's going to be nuts. Marathon streams, for sure. Okay. So, let me take a look at chat. Dang, man, a lot of chat. Holy crap. What's up, Aaron Paz, Jake Papa, Gerard? What's up, Blake Burnett, Tyler Heel, Carl Roberts, Patrick Jones, Scotty XRP, Hey Santob, Robin G, Deepism, ER, hello, Sean88, Kappa Dappa, Jesse Thompson, Tom Krypton Newbie, Hector Santos, Dolphin134, oh my god, man, just in time. That's right, dude. Sorry, really behind, just saying hey to people. What's up, Crypto Chef, Cod for Crypto, Erwin Cod for Crypto, man, Al Marie. Haven't seen you in a minute, I don't think. Tutelage, Terry Tees. Guardianship, remember that word, tutelage? Alright, let's take a look at this. I'm going to post it a couple more times. I'm going to see some more participation. I haven't even looked at it yet. But go cast your vote. Let's just see the audience, what y'all think is going to happen after this 60-minute segment tonight. And I should have made a fourth option, but that's just getting too complicated. Being like self-fulfilling prophecy doesn't matter, right? Say the 60-minute segment happens, right? And then Bitcoin explodes up to 8,500. Did it really have anything to do with the 60-minute segment? Probably not. But whatever, man. It's all in good fun, right? Cash P says thanks for the Chernobyl tip. Dude, Chernobyl. I finished watching the second episode last night. Oh my god. This show is insane. it like makes, like, I felt like sick. Like, it was like an hour each episode. There's only 2 episodes right now. I think there's a 3rd one maybe coming out tonight or today or maybe another day. I don't know. But, like, dude, Chernobyl, y'all have to check it out. Since, like, Game of Thrones is, like, ending, dude, Chernobyl. And, man, like, I'm just, like, stomach's, like, dropped the whole time. It's just that you get this really sick feeling, okay? But, you know, it's not really that bad, like, gory and stuff. It's just, it makes you really think outside the box, like, dang, dude. No humans had ever, like, gone through anything like that, and no one even knew, like, what there were, like, the rules had not, like, you know, the rules of physics and stuff like that weren't fully developed, so no one really knew. So, holy crap, it's just been tripping me out, like I was, like, waking up from my sleep, like, oh, dude, Chernobyl, man, what? Hey, Alex Tolfrey, man, Tolfrey, sorry. What's up, Botrix? Renee, hello. Good to see you. Hope you're having a good Sunday. ES Trading, hi. You said ding dong. Who's there? Stay at home dad, hello. Randy Bobandy. 200 views in 1 meme video. Hey, man. Best of luck to you on your adventures, okay, of memes. Holy crap. What's up, Leonard Gonzalez? The station, Alex Cobb, man, the Kangs. Check out Alex Cobb, man. Dude, let's throw out real quick some confetti for our comrade, or compadre. What the heck, man? All right, this confetti, all this confetti right here, it's for Alex Cobb hitting 30,000 subs, man. Let's also play some Jesus chimes long term. It's for you, Alex, man. You earned it, man. You worked your butt off, dude. I know you've been working, dude, hard to get that. This is my boy, man. This is my boy. Check him out if you haven't. If you like XRP at all, this guy's got you covered better than anybody in the space, alright? God, man, it's Kangs. Kangs, dude. Much love, man. Styles XRP, RabbitX, Mario, Theory Cosmo, Rafi K, David Bella, Toy Adventures. What's up, Mr. Checkmark? Mr. Sid Vicious. Dang, dude, a lot of good people in here today. Thank y'all so much. Hey, Lo Stir, dude. Neil C. Walton Coin. Dude, you're back, man. You're back. Alright. Hadn't seen you in a minute, dude. Walton Coin was good to us in the altcoin spring. It's now the altcoin winter, though, unfortunately. So, okay, so Alex Cobb, man, Kangs. Okay, whew. Back to normal, kind of. Still snowing, or maybe it's not snow, maybe it's ash. We don't know. We don't have the technology to really see what kind of whatever residue is falling from the sky. We don't know. Dude, I can't even imagine. Yeah, Patrick. What is Game of Thrones, or what is HBO's sub count gonna look like after tonight, man? I can't even imagine. They're keeping me around for Chernobyl, but good luck to them on their next adventure. HBO, that is.
I know everyone wants to look at BTC, but I was looking at SPX and I think a huge Chinese lesson is coming.
Well, it's already started, I thought. Kills for a Living, man. Thanks for the $4.44. The sailboats, of course. Yeah, all we did, S&P 500. Look, man. I mean, this is 60 minutes. Right? Here you go. It's like raising wedge. That is correct. We broke out. All we did was rally, make a 50% retrace from our high to low, and starting to sell off again. So yeah, I mean, 4 hour. The Qs to me is what I didn't like. Well, look at that, man. After you hit your measure move, your very small pattern, and you as soon as you hit it, you had an inverted hammer reversal pattern on the 4 hour that projected, or was it projected? No. What is it? Well, yeah, like kind of projected you up. It pushed you up, whatever. Thinking of fun words. 289, and then you sold off, and then showed weakness going into close on Friday because we closed below the 20 moving average on the 4 hour. Didn't like that. So yeah, man, this could have just been a common retrace, and then we sell off to lower prices, right? If your trend really has reversed in the short term. Okay, so we'll see, man. We'll see. This thing, what did it do? All it did was rally for freaking 5 months, man, right? December 26th all the way up. Had a slightly higher high than your previous high, double topped, and it's since sold off. So really all depends on what Trump does, how this China tariff stuff goes, man. But raising tariffs, man, that's seldom good, all right? Not a good thing. So, okay. Y'all gotta learn Chinese skills for a living, but it's already started. Bitcoin's at 8,057. Cool. Let's look at some XRP real quick. Why not? All right, man. Okay. Very cool. Last night we were around 38.856 cents. I don't know why we would stop here, dude. Golden zone is between 40.6 cents and 43.421 cents, man. So, well, we're making our way up, right? If you were just trading a wedge, the first profit taker level was at 42.049 cents. King Crypto, Solve Connect. Well, look, man, see how it did. All right, so that was your primary target. Your secondary target would be 43.421 cents. But everything's just dependent on Bitcoin, right? Until you break all, 47.8 cents, man, you just might be setting up for a lower high. This could just be a trade, right? Trader's market. Don't forget that. If anything, it almost looks like a rising wedge, doesn't it? Developing. You can see an upsloping support, upsloping resistance. Ooh, boy.
One of your viewers sent me a video idea. So thanks for having great followers. The video is now finished. 0.28 Bitcoin. Share it with the people you, sparkling heart.
Yeah, dude, these followers are the best. It's not even followers. It's just like members of this community. Like, we're all the same, it's just members of the community. Like, this community's been growing for 15 months, man, and now it's exploding.
Hey, but after the locals, can you check out BCH/BTC on the 1 hour, please?
Sure, no SVs or ABCs. Find out what they mean to me or something like that. Oh, yeah, man. It's weird. Oh, okay. Inverse head and shoulder-ish stuff, right? Harmonic stuff? Already begun its ascent back up? Dang, man. Holy crap, man. You can talk about amazing. We'll talk about BCH to BTC momentarily. This is a beautiful crypto chef, man. This is wonderful. This is the whole reason why I want people to invest in themselves. Because there are so many charts out there. So many charts that I can't analyze or scan myself. But when people are able to identify them themselves, because we give the fishing pole, not the fish, everyone wins, man. Because now it's like crypto chefs like, hey, man, can you look at this? Because this dude looks like a crazy harmonic, right? Yeah, it sure does. And it looks like the 786, the PCZ, you hit it and bounced. Hey, already at first target, all right? First target be a 382, and second target's a 58.66 at the 618. Third target, 65.41 up here. Right? Am I crazy? Crypto Chef, man, this is beautiful, dude. This is freaking beautiful. So it's just, whatever, man. All right. 52.45, first target. Remember, second target's the golden retrace at 58.66. Third target, 65.41, or 100%, or 1272. Your choice on the third one. How crazy you want to be. Dang, dude. Beautiful. And was there divergence? Oh my god, dude. There was like bullish divergence too at the 786 retrace. Jeez, man. That's fantastic, dude. Alright. Good find, dude. Really good find. So, We just went like, I mean, local on the 8th, whatever, man. I'm just kind of free-balling it today. We're just having a good time, relaxing, okay. Enjoying Bitcoin. Looks strong on the 4-hour bullishly engulf at 8,077 right now. Of 11.22% today, repeating, of course. Beautiful, and thanks for the 753 people tuned in. If you're enjoying the live stream, hit that like button, that bell, that sub. So many likes we can get today, man. Would be kings. Exactly, Mr. Sid Vicious. You gotta learn to do the TA yourself. It's better to get it firsthand than to receive from someone else. And that way you're able to better smell bullcrap too. Like, hey, this person knows what they're talking about, or they don't. If you are, you know, if you've learned it yourself, you can go listen to somebody and be like, what? What are they talking about? Right? Or, dang, dude, this guy actually knows what he's talking about. Right? So you can't be deceived because you learned how to Fibonacci. You learned how to identify patterns. You've learned how to check for coinciding variables, right? Very important stuff. Yep, it sure is, Caleb. 30 minutes. 30 minutes, 60 minutes we'll be on talking about Bitcoin. Why is Da Vinci doing Fibonacci's right to left, dude? Good question, Rafi, because it's wrong. But I don't know. It's all, to me, it's all about left to right. Well, it's for anyone who charts. The guy probably wasn't trading. That's probably why. Took XRP panic. Demi, dude, if you break 8,500, you're going to 9,000. You break 9,000, which you probably will because it's not even a resistance. It's only psychological rounded resistance that we will note. 95 to 9,600. Okay. Any update on Litecoin? Yeah, it hit its first target, a 50% retrace, just like XRP did. And XRP now is back testing the 50% and now trying to run its session highs. 30 minutes left in the 60-minute candle at 42.434 cents. Awesome, man. Bitcoin shows a little bit of strength too, with an hour and a half left on the daily and weekly candle. Well, you know what, Jake Papa, the good thing is you don't really have to, who cares, right? Like, if you think that Bitcoin is the Yahoo of the .com markets, like, this is a, you know, technical analysis show, so like trading, so you can trade on the ups and downs, right? So if that's the case, man, you'll be able to identify when the trend reverses, and you'll be able to start shorting because the trend is your friend. You short in a bear trend and you long in bull trends. You wait for pullbacks and then you go long again, as long as it lasts. And so here we are, Ripple, 42.563 cents. Awesome, man, continuing to run. Let's look for 43.421 cents.
Is that a joint? Close enough to
420, whatever. The gap on the CME. You want to show me a chart in Discord? Did I mean, I guess gapped again, right? Because of yesterday or last night. What channel is 60 Minutes? It's a fake news network, I think, but am I wrong here? Anyone? Interesting, Bradford. Very interesting. And remember, if you want to keep the conversation going when this live stream inevitably ends, you want to get in contact with anyone in this chat that you're talking to right now, joining our Discord is the best way to do it. This is not just some standard channel. This is a community. This is actually like relationships and stuff. So check out our Discord. Post the link in the description below. Bryce Givens, man!
Miss everyone loves your contribution. I sent you an email about sponsoring your channel. Sorry to interrupt the stream, everyone.
What's up, Bryce Givens, man? Thanks for the $104.04. Yeah, I'll respond to your email, dude, after this stream. Sorry about that, man, dude. I thought things were busy before, but like as of a week ago, man, things have gone like seriously, like parabolic in terms of like how many messages I receive, not just emails, but like Discord messages. It's very tough to manage, and it's like it's been stressing me out, like, and that's probably maybe why I've been tired. But I don't know, man. So look, if you reach out to me and I don't respond, if you're Sharkcoin, understand I did decline that offer. No Sharkcoin sponsorships. That's not going to happen, dude. I'm sorry. Maybe in the future, if you ever separate Sharkcoin and make it 2 words, I might consider letting Sharkcoin sponsor me. But until then, dude, can't do it, man. But dude, holy crap. Thank you, Bryce Gibbons, for the 104.04. It sounds like a radio station, man. Thanks for that big Bitcoin ball in the jar. Kangs. Whew. Big deal, dude. Okay. Here you go. Hink posted it. There it is. Gap filled. Alright. Sweet. Thank you, Hink. Hey, Ross, what's up, man? PGA playing on CBS right now. Okay, cool, cool, yeah. CBS isn't as bad as the other one, but they're still bad, right? Yeah, Alex, definitely got to do that, right? No, you can tag me all day, stay-at-home dad. I'm just saying, like, if it takes a minute to, you know, for me to respond, or like a day, it just, or if, don't be mad if, like, things happen and I don't get to you. Don't be, like, offended, like, oh my god, Ray's ignoring me. Alright, so, I don't know, man, it looked like a flag, it false broke out. Look at this, man. Look how we double topped up here at the upsloping, it's beautiful, man. This is why we plot these trend lines. You couldn't break it. You could never break it, man. So you sold off, and now, man, I don't know. Like, probably just a larger channel with anchor points on the bottom. Like 1 and 2. Not 3. Something like that. That's all we can do. What's up, Alexander? So it just looks like downsloping consolidation still after an impulse. So you're still okay here. But you really do need to start making higher highs soon. Alright, but this thing has been pretty nuts, man. If you could ever break out of the upside downside, you got targets set up, right? Measure move of the upside, if you broke out, it's 57.41. You broke the downside, it's going to be around 1800. So big swing, make or break pattern developing, this huge wedge. And the trend is overall bearish, but you're just making retraces. You have not hit the golden retrace yet at 4,308. Got really close though, man. Arguably you did hit it, right? Depending on how accurate your anchor points are. But all right, man. Like after selling off so tremendously, you've hit between the 382, the 618. Anything can happen now. A rising wedge, a bearish pattern. We don't really know if the trend is overwhelmingly bullish or not on solve. So look, man, high on price, higher high on price, lower levels of relative strength. You sold off, but to the extent of how far you sold off was like nothing. You barely sold off at all. And so it seems like you're still just consolidating. See if you can break, man. All right. The number to break, I mean, look, you can stay confined within the parameters of this pattern all day, but if you can break this upsloping trend line, we might see 52, 53 real fast, 786 retrace. Okay. Okay. There's your solve, dude. Thanks, man. Let's go to Bitcoin, 81.25. Here we go, dudes. Here we go again. We're live. Things going crazy. It's just like, man, the weekend. The past 2 weekends have been the craziest weekends in a long time. We had a crazy one in late March or whatever, but nothing like this, dude. Nothing like it. Look at the bullish engulfing candle on the 4-hour. All right. See if we can break 81.52. That's as high as we got today. You know, I think early this morning or something. Y'all hear my music? It sounds like really quiet, man. 81.41. Let's go, dudes. Let's go. Exceeding the 786. 886 is right upon you at 8,200. Don't know we wouldn't hit that. Joey Hickerson, thanks for the $1.99 super chat, man. Appreciate it. Let's go to that 60-minute again. Why not? More candles for us. Oh my god, a 60-minute golden cross is happening, chat. Can you believe it, man? Dude, we are 2 subs away from 9,400 subs. Oh my god. Y'all incredible. Dude, we're gonna be at 10K by like Wednesday or something, Thursday. If this keeps up, right? Amazing. Joey Hickerson says, hey Mitch, thanks to you and Brad and Adam, awesome stuff. Thanks, Joey, man. Appreciate that. Hey ZTube, welcome, dude. 60 minutes will not decide for you, dude. Dude, 9,400. Y'all are amazing. Freaking love y'all. Wow. Unbelievable. The Bonsai fan. Yeah, I should have done a 60-minute, right? Poll. I should have been like, how will the Game of Thrones finale affect Bitcoin's price? Might as well be the same thing, right? Just based on how little we know about if it actually is going to do anything. And even if the price responds, it's not going to be probably because of that crap, right? The segment is just going to be because Bitcoin's doing things already, right? Jeez. What's up, Fermi? Damn, a lot of chat. Sorry, I'm just not able to get to all of it, but I'm trying. What's up, Hans? And John Doe. Don't even know how to say some of these names. All right. What's up, Kang Crypto? We have King Crypto and we have the Bitcoin Kang. We have multiple ones. Hey, dude, 8167. Highest high of the day for Bitcoin. Highest high we've seen since the 16th, man. 3+ days. Haven't seen these prices. Feels good, man. Feels good. What's up, HMLS? Yes.
Good afternoon, Mitch. And hello to all in chat. Hope to see everyone in Discord. We have been having some wonderful conversations over there.
That's right, man. That's right, dude. Discord is like, I mean, it's just a place where you go, like, to where you can always be connected to a community of like-minded individuals just like you that cares about crypto and cares about technical analysis and investing in themselves to get better, right? That's all our community is, and that's all it's ever been. XRP approaching 43 cents. Let's go, baby. About to hit the 886, 8200 incoming. It's gonna hit, dude. It's gonna hit. What's up, McCain? Welcome. Hey, Jason. Pia. Welcome, man. 8188. King Logan will be proud. Up 12.75% today, chat. What's up, Koala? Man, I hadn't seen you in a second. Thank you for chiming in. Hello, Aloho. James Murray. Momin Mosley. Cody H. Dang, chat. You see this, man? Hey, exceeding to 8,200. We'll see you at the 100% retrace, man. See you up at 8,391, 8,400, man. We're going, dude. You had me at TA. Excellent. Dude, Laszlo, you just joined, Laszlo, man? Did you just get Discord? Oh my god, Bitcoin's now at 8,300 on Thinkorswim. Holy crap. Blast off pullback, you mean? Blast off pullback. So we just rejected 8,200. That's okay, though, man. We're going to attempt to break it again. Just got to give it a second, man. Hey, Randy Schulz. Oh my god, is the music, dude, I seriously need a sound check. I'm not getting any. I need like a, I don't know, a producer that's like, on shows. They've just got someone that's in the back. They're like, hey man, what's up, dude? Well, I'm gonna wait for the, to chime, right? Dude, I think it's too loud, probably. If I can hear it.
How do you add the colored percent lines on your chart?
I'll show you. Okay. Thank you.
Thanks for making an awesome community that has really helped my game. Early congrats on 10k subs.
Thanks, Hot Wings, man. Appreciate that. Both of y'all, thank you so much for the super chats. All right, how do you get the colored percentage lines on your chart? You just must be talking about Fibonacci, and so forgive me if I made it way too simple, but fib retracement tool. All right, your fibs, right? Is that what you're asking? Because I don't know any other percentage lines on my chart besides Fibonacci, right? Does that help? I don't, Jebster. Maybe give me a little bit more description of your question and I can better answer it, right? Because that's literally how I do it, but I don't know if there's any other percentage right? Because these are percentages. They're decimals, but percentages as well. So, thanks, Jordan Barees, man. Thanks. Yeah, Frederick, welcome, man. Thanks for joining. Techno music, please. Dude, we played industrial techno. Here we are, back above 8,200. Told y'all. Huge tie, man. Thanks for the $2 super chat, man. An engineer? Do engineers do well as like people who just chime in? XRP has almost 3 million transactions per minute right now. What's that website with all the... I know Cobb posts it a lot when he's live, and it shows like all the transactions coming in real time. Pretty lit. Let's see, man. All right, so that's it on Bitcoin. Let's go to XRP again. Check it out. How's it responding, right? People were like, oh my god, dude, 43 cents, dude. Keep struggling, man. 88.6% retrace. Definitely regarding it, respecting it. Okay, yeah, we hit 42.918 cents. That's as high as we got. So still trying to make it. Really? There's no way it's too loud, man. There's no effing way it's too loud. Well, Laszlo, glad you made it, man. Better late than never.
Julia, are you barren? 517 episodes now. I'm getting repetitive sickness. Is that Discord pick up less? Love you more, you need it.
What? Fake channel, man. Fake news, fake everything, dude. Dude. Okay, man. Nice one. Sounds perfect. Thanks, dude. It's going up fast now. Yeah, 8209 right now. We're still, we have to, make our highs. So, 8223 is the highest high we've made so far on Coinbase. So we're not above that, not exceeding that yet. Not exceeding that. Let's go to the moon, Tion Day. All right, man. Let's go, man. Let's go. I thought you said you were going to bring the rocket for us to fly to. All right, Bitcoin's making those higher highs now. Back to 80. Well, we were up there, 82.25. Now we're at 82.15. Pulling back at the 88.6% retrace. You break that, man. Okay, you got the zone. All right, let's go to that daily real quick. So you can see where we are, okay? The beginning of the zone, we're touching it right now. 82.30 is the very beginning. And why do I say that? Look left. Here it is, man. Your candle high close from July 28th, 2018. That is why we're touching it and rejecting it a little bit right now, okay? Beginning. The zone of resistance is very large. I mean, again, between 82.30 and 84.86, all right? We only got as high, I believe, as 83.90 or something like that. So if we could break this, man, going to be a smooth shot up to 8,300 roughly, 82.88. So, just look at this huge green candle. I mean, on the daily, y'all. 3 rejections, played out perfectly, bearishly engulfed, 2 days of red, and then just complete engulfing. Completely engulfing. And now we're right back where we started just a few days ago. All right. So 82.30, big deal. Breaking that, again, 8,300, right? We have not gone any higher than 83.88 or something like that. So here you go, man. It's a big freaking deal. Octum NPCs, thanks for the 2. You say, is Fibonacci better for bear or bull markets? It's better for both, man. It's better for every market. No trends, uptrends, downtrends. But man, that's wonderful. 82.53, right? Breaking 82.30. That's awesome. So 82.84, 83.85, man. Come on, let's go, dude. It's beautiful. Oh man. Hey, Daniel. See? Local dinosaur, man. Where you been? Pulling back. 8,200. 886. But we know 82.30 is also candle high close from July of 2018. So you're now in turbulence, right? It was kind of like some decent blue skies, but now we're just continuing our ascent up, and we're in that turbulence area. We consider this overhead resistance turbulence if we're talking about flying. Okay, better way to put it. This is Trading View 4D3. PTL. DTech News. Greg S. BAT. BAT is a practical, conventional blockchain creation that will help with mass adoption versus so many. 98% of these S coins will not help with mass adoption. You've got to have projects that make sense to that user, right? To the layman, the everyday, hey man, I'm just working 9 to 5, I don't care about blockchain, but dang dude, you could probably talk that person into BAT, couldn't you? Yeah, really could. So here we are again, man. Right back to those areas, man. We had a nice move up to 82.70 and we've pulled back sub 8,200. Debster, awesome. Glad it worked, man. And hey, Debster, if you haven't seen the video, I did an educational segment, a video, like a 10-15 minute video specifically on Fibonacci and trying to educate on it. So if you haven't checked that out, check it out. Go to my YouTube channel and go down to the education tab, and it says like fun with Fibonacci or something like that. How to use Fibonacci. So definitely worth watching. Anybody in here. BAT is disruptive to all internet browsers. You like it? Yeah, man. It makes sense, dude. So, thanks for the 1,048 people tuned in. If you're enjoying this live stream and Bitcoin's price action, please hit that like button, that bell, that sub. Let's go, man. Let's get a like spike. Dude, we are at 9416 subs. Less than 600 away from 10,000 subs, man. Who will get there first? Will Bitcoin get to 10,000? First, or will we get to 10,000? Crazy, man. Sub collectible reviews. Thanks, man. Okay. Okay, dude. Let's go to Ethereum real quick. I know this one's kind of crazy. This one's like artwork, dude. This one's like insane. All right, it did everything. It was a beautiful rising wedge that gave us indication, believe we'd sell off, and then we sold off. Then we hit the measure move of the pattern, went no lower, double bottomed, ran up, and then just went sideways. We created a falling wedge. Then we broke the falling wedge and created ourselves an ascending triangle, broke it, kind of back tested it, and you're just kind of floating on up. Measure move is at 272 of the ascending triangle, right? One sell wall, one upsloping support, signifying accumulation. You break the sell wall. Here we are. All right, moving on up. Trying so hard to break 260, which we know is an extremely important resistance. Right? 260 is that 23% retrace from our May of 2018 high to low. You got to break that, man. Come on. I mean, just think about it. If you like, we know now we have a valid swing low from the high to low at this point, going on such a nice retrace, but it's so shallow. It's nothing. All right, your common retrace level from this high to low is between $370 and $549, and it sounds crazy now, but it always does at the beginning. Yes, Ken. It could be cold, but it could also be very, very hot. Okay, if you know what I mean. Greg, you think so? I don't know, man. Dude, I'm telling you, you break 8,500, I don't think I will beat Bitcoin to 10K. All right. What do you think about XLM? Stellar Lumens. It's a kind of a knockoff of Ripple, isn't it? It's like literally what it is. They're just, but with less partnerships and less deals, and that's it, right? I mean, it's just like a, I don't know much of a difference, like, because isn't it like the, one of the founders of Ripple, like, broke off and started XLM? So, competition's good though, man. Competition breeds innovation. So, Mom, what happened, dude? What are you talking about, Sean 88? What does that even mean? Pullback? When's pullback? We're at areas where pullback could happen at any time. Remember, we just talked about we're at the overhead resistance zone where it's like, this is it, man. You either hit this for a while, reject it and sell off tremendously, or you hit it, you break it, and you run to the next target. There's no, like, you don't really do anything else besides those things that overhead resistance is okay. So, that's right, John Doe Pog. Pog baby. What's up, Pavanaya Shelley? Ethereum has Cardano, XRP has XLM. There you go, Octo Man PCs. Thanks, man. All right. Are we showing triple bearish divergence on Bitcoin on the 4-hour? What? We'll see. We'll see, man. Hey, Tommy, man. Welcome. Thank you. Remember, you can't... I mean, getting close, but we're not... Look, every high on the 4-hour, high, lower high, you're actually making a lower high right now. Okay. So, I think the sell-off already occurred because of the 4-hour divergence, man. All right? I don't know if adding it here is really, like, the best way of looking at it. I think one needs to really just... dude, I don't think you really have divergence because it played out. If this didn't play out, what is it, right? When it plays out, you gotta forget about it and move on, right? And it did. What's up, Joe? Eklund, hello. The top of the channel is 8800. Channel? What channel, dude? This channel? The upsloping channel? Probably. So I think their partnership with IBM is nothing. They didn't say it was nothing, but that's a good start. I mean, do I need to pull up how many partnerships XRP has and gains like every day versus XLM's IBM? I'm sure it's probably a long list versus a shorter list. So you just asked me what I thought about it. I'm saying it's like another version of XRP and their competitors, right? James, you're part of it, dude. Are you kidding? You're part of it. So there you go, man. Approaching, or not really approaching, you're at it. You've already rejected it. 8230 to 8500, 8485 or something. Okay. Bill, Biff, let's see here. Have you done this yet? Have you voted? Y'all all need to vote on this. Posting the straw poll again. We haven't closed the polling yet because we've got like 1,069 people here. We'll see what all of you think about what will happen after 60 minutes tonight. There it is again. Coin Grinder says IBM is dying company. Well, yeah, it's definitely not the leader anymore. But good on them for trying to get into blockchain somehow, some way, right? Okay, so let's see on this poll. All right, we got 92 votes right now. So far, this vote that y'all are casting right now, this is where we're at. 100 votes. How will Bitcoin price respond to the 60-minute segment tonight? 60 minutes segment. Looks like 55% are saying it's positive. 28% says no effect, and then 15% say it's gonna be a negative. Uh-oh. Remember last time we did a poll? What happened last time? The minority of the minority won. right? We said, well, we hit $266 billion in 5 days, and yesterday was the 5th day, and we didn't. We were down to like 225 by the time that poll closed, or by the time I guess the day hit. We bounced like 18, 20 plus billion since then, but still not even. I think we're at 250 billion market cap right now. If I had $2,000 to hold for 2 years, what would I pick? I'd probably take a blend of the top 5. I don't know, man. Like, I'd preferably diversify it. Like, just because who cares? Like, what happens if one does well, you know? I would probably diversify it versus just putting all my eggs in one basket, right? Bitcoin or Ripple or Ethereum or Bitcoin Cash or whatever, BNB. Okay, definitely put, you know, I would definitely have some sort of blend, not just one. Okay, is that weird? Okay, so anyway, looks like most people say it's gonna be a good thing. Bitcoin will respond positively to it. Could be self-fulfilling though, as a prophecy, right? Sorry. Whew. Going hard, man. We're going hard. Excuse me. Oops. My bad.
The whales will take advantage of this liquidity and dump on these 60-minute moon boys. Institutional order flow connect.
Okay, AP. He's part of the saying it's going to be negative, right? The price will respond negatively. All right, man, we'll see it. But for now, you're not making higher highs than your previous highs. You're pretty much just matching the previous highs. Is it triple top, or is it we're going to break this and go to 9,000? All right, real fast. I mean, really, from your high to low down here, a 1272 is at 8,900. Also something to keep in mind. But man, I'm talking turbulence. Serious turbulence zone. $60 minutes is in 60 seconds. Ion. Y'all hear that? What's this channel, Void Habitat? Or Habit? Sorry, what are you talking about? What channel? This channel here? Look here, listen. CBS? Yep, CBS is where that 60 minutes is on, right? But you can find a knockoff version on YouTube somewhere, right? Yeah. Oh man, it's not. Never mind. Probably not. Whatever, man. Okay. But again, it's like very interesting, right? We're rallying into this crap with the media. I haven't heard that before many times. What about XRP, man? I don't think it's moved. Okay. Well, maybe no, I don't have the right fibs up. Sorry. No, yeah, it hadn't moved that much on the 60-minute. Major vlog, you told us. I'm sorry. Is your exchange showing the Bitcoin's price at 10K? I don't think so, man. So we're not there yet. All right. You have to understand how important 8,500 is as a resistance. All right. So the 60-minute candle closed 2 minutes, or less than 2 minutes ago. All right. So this is the last 58 minutes of this weekly candle, daily candle, and now 4-hour candle. So thanks for the 2-man super chat, the XRP in the jar. How far do you go back to look for previous highs and lows analyzing S-Coin? ER man when in down, just go to the daily. If you're talking about zooming out on a chart. So like for Ethereum, on the daily, there's only one discernible swing high. And that's back from, it's like $850 something back in May of 2018. I'm way cooler with the hat on. Well, you can make that happen, Sir D. Actually, it started. It's like now, 2 minutes ago, I guess, right? But is the whole 60... I don't think the whole 60 minutes is on Bitcoin. I think they do, like, different segments and stuff, right? All right, man. So again, less than an hour until our weekly close, which is a big deal. And the weekly close is just saying, hey, we are testing 8,500 and rejecting it right now. That's all the weekly's telling us on Bitcoin. Or you can watch it online. I don't know if you can, man. Anyone got any idea if you can watch it online? That's right. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, Tron. Screw Tron, man. All right. Ripple's, trying. Hey, Bitcoin's 82.41 right now, getting closer and closer. It's above 82.30. Right, barely above it. There you go. 82.84 is the next number. If you can stay above 82.30. The gap, Bob, is when, so futures are only open 5 days a week, right? They close. The markets close. But Bitcoin remains live all weekend. And so Bitcoin price action runs up a few $100s. When futures open, there's going to be a gap there. That's what it means. There's trading done when markets are closed, right? And so futures markets close, but the asset that it's the future of, right? It doesn't close. That's what happens. And the retrace, no idea yet. We haven't established our swing high. You can't do retraces until you establish swing highs or swing lows. And you don't really know until you reach a 23% retrace, okay? How many ads are there on US TV, Macker? Pfft, dude, I don't know. I don't watch cable. Dude, cable's terrible, man. Like, this is the future, man. What we're doing, this live streaming stuff, like, no one cares really. Only like much older people care about, like, okay, man, would you rather have, oh man, we know there's this famous guy, man, and he's on like cable news, dude. It's like, or would you rather deal with someone who's credible that you can actually engage with and talk to, right? Like, this is a far better source of entertainment than cable television. Like, you get to talk to the person who's attempting to entertain you to some degree, right? And like ads, right? I don't monetize, right? So, hey man, very little ads here compared to what you see on cable, but they're coming, man. They've already dug their hands deep. Google has deep into YouTube, made it real bad. What's up, Bones 420, man? How would Jesus, man? Hopefully the I would Jesus lady's here too. Thanks for the 2 thumbs up and the 2 beers. What's up, Omar? And thank y'all so much for all the new subs here tonight. Y'all are amazing. Really glad to have you here. We F the cable? Yeah, I guess so, man. I guess we F the cable. We are, I mean, this is like, hey, what is it? What was the song? It was like, TV killed the radio. Well, guess what? Live streaming is killing cable. For the most part, dude. It really is. What's up, Joe Soap, man? So it'd be really interesting to see. I mean, like, if 60 Minutes is running right now and we're like live, you know, see, there's hey, 82.84. Look what you're doing. You're touching it, rejecting it, right? It's like, whoa, we hit it. Whoa, volatility picking up, right? When you hit it. Resistance. If you break 82.84, see it at 83.91. I think there's actually one more. Probably see 83.32. What's up, Guido? What? Wow. Hugh Flanagan, thanks for the sub, man. Welcome, all you new sub, dude. Oh my god, we're getting closer and closer to 10,000 every sub, man. This is it, man. We're in the last stretch, okay, before quintuple digits, man. What's up, Abdul? Thanks for joining, man. Holy crap. So here you go, man. 82.79 at 14% on the day on Bitcoin. Let's see if we can break 82.84. Big deal, dude. Real big deal. Hey, Bob K, thanks for the $2 super chat, man. Appreciate it. TV will be completely obsolete in a couple years. Naughty sauce. Yeah, pretty much. Dude, it's stupid. It's like, why would you pay like $100+ a month and then just over half the programming is advertising and you get subjected to it, and it's like serious, like brainwashing advertising, dude. It's so bad. It's like loud noises and bing, 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 bing. It's like psychological operations trying to get you like addicted to whatever the noise is. It's real bad, man. Okay, real like. I think the best word would be like insidious, right? It's like stealthy, but very evil in its own right. Okay, insidious. That's what cable television is. What's up, Steve25? Thanks, man. Thanks for joining. Dude, Hot Wings, man. Are you kidding? I'll wait for it to...
Found Mitch just in time. Thanks for helping us make money, dude. Peace sign.
Dude, Adrian A, man. Thank you for the 613.
Thank you, Mitch, for creating this amazing community and sharing your knowledge. It has changed my life in many ways, including not losing any more in trading. Click sub for 10K for Mitch.
Hot Wings, man. Thanks for the $110.10. You just one-upped, holy crap. We've never had someone one-up somebody on Super Chat. Price Givens, you've been one-upped by, Hot Wings. Thank you, man, for the 110.10. Jeez. And, thanks, Big Coin Z. What's up, man? He says, Mitch, my 9-year-old daughter, Jules, is a huge fan. Big shout out to her loving blockchain. Not your wife. Hey, big shout out to, Jules. Thanks for watching. I'm glad you're enjoying the show. Remember, Jules, invest in yourself at a young age. I'm telling you, life will be incredible. Life will know no limits if you start investing at a young age in yourself. So that's all I got. I know that might not be the best advice.
Mitch, my 9-year-old daughter Jules is a huge fan. Big shout out to her loving blockchain, not my wife. Lol. Thanks,
dude. Really appreciate it. Holy crap, man. Y'all are incredible, and thanks for the 1,153 people tuned in right now. If you're enjoying the live stream, hit that like button, that bell, that sub. Dang, 400 likes, 397 like spike, dude, for Bitcoin price action at least. Jeez. Conspiratorial. Uh-oh. I mean, it might be conspiratorial talking about advertising and stuff, man, but dude, I'm telling you, man, it's like, think about it, especially if it's for children, the manipulation involved to get to the child so you don't have to get to the adult, because it's a much easier target to manipulate the child. All right, man? Can't tell me advertising is not in some form like evil in a way, right? Sure, hey man, buy my milk, buy my soap or something, but dude, they go insane, dude, to manipulate. What's up, Keith Carr? I mean, I was sold advertising for a long time, man. Hated it, man. Jules Santana, man, who said my name? Super Saiyan Blue, dude. Kangs. What's up, Anon? Lift and I, thank you for the like and the sub, man. Yes, I have a family, but not like, you know, like wife and kids. Like, have a family that, like, siblings and parents and all that stuff, right? You think 60 Minutes airs 7 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time? We have an episode now in East Coast. I don't know. I thought it was live. I thought it was done. I thought it was on right now. Like, we're 10 minutes into 60 Minutes being live, right? Get on, Brock, I think. Todd B, man. Thanks for the mental hygiene contribution. Thanks. Advertising is flat. All right, Bitcoin 82.57, bouncing off what? 82.84, big time resistance. It's so big you can see it on the freaking daily. Where is it, man? It's these wicks. 1, 2, 3, 4 wicks back from July of 2018. We could not break it. Created ourselves a resistance right there. If you can break 82.84, man, really nice, easy move up to 83.87, almost 8,400, right? If you break this. So this is an extremely important overhead resistance area right here that we're bouncing off of, all right? Make no mistake. You can see the price action bouncing between the two horizontal lines way back from almost a year ago. Getting closer and closer to that mark. So right at the top, yeah, that's a price action. It's harder to see that, but we'll go back. Just remember the 82.84 area is a big deal. Jeez, man, come on. There we go. Just bouncing off of it. Okay, so 3 times here and 4 times back in July 2018. And now here we go again. Another time we're touching it. So it seems like, hey, you're up 14% on Bitcoin. How the heck do you sustain prices above these areas? Being up so much on the day already. You're up $1,033 today, chat. Good God. All right, breaking to higher highs, 8,300. You're going, man. You want it. You want your next target, man. All right. And that is around 83.88. Beautiful, dude. Pulling back, though, man. See? Very, very strong resistance. Really tough.
Polyworld is back in the saddle. The gods are on our side again. Cheers.
Did you sell your island, Polyworld? I think that's the last time we talked. Polyworld, dude. Thanks for the 333 repeating, of course. Leroy Jenkins, man. Alright. Thanks, dude. Alright, dude. So, gotta break 82.84. Big freaking deal. Your price is just, it's such a battleground. Hey, BitMEX Trades, man. Dude, I saw, you posted a video in, like, December. I, like, had my Santa Claus logo up. I saw it, man. Dude, thanks for the... Dude, I had no idea you posted anything. But thank you for the recommendation of my channel, man. Way back. I had, like, 300 subs back then, dude. Thanks, man. Yeah, 8,300. Woo. Trying to break it, man. So hard. Break it. 8,390. 8,400. Okay. $100 move real quick if you can convincingly break that. But you're struggling so hard. What's up, PJ Playhouse? Okay, Tyler Winters. Thanks for the update. He says, so far, the 60-minute episode about Russians and bank scandals. Dude, what? YouTube gamers, man. Speaking of games,
Hey man, thanks for the stream. Dealing with major stress from work and this stream helps me mellow out and enjoy the crypto updates. Keep up the great work.
dude, YouTube gamers, man, thanks so much for the freaking 50, the Binance coin in the jar, and just thanks for sticking around, Mr. Checkmark. Really, really appreciate that. Much love. Dude, YouTube gamers, he's got connections, man, to the YouTube world. All right. Thanks, brother, man. I'm glad to hear that I'm keeping you mellow, I guess. I'm kind of freaking out a little bit right now. Okay, this is just kind of wild. It's really good, dude, to see Bitcoin do this. So much strength, but again, you could be pulling a daily double top. I mean, you have to break these areas. It's like kind of do or die time, because on the daily, if you stall here long enough, you're going to be confirming to the market you're double topping on the daily, which is not good. All right. Dude, COD Highlights, welcome, man. I think COD Highlights, I've seen you in Alex Cobb's channel, man. Thanks for coming by. I'll plug you real quick. If it lets me. Yeah, dude. Y'all check out COD Highlights, man. Gangs, dude. 147,000 subs, man. Very cool. Thanks for stopping by, man. Much love. Win 10K Bitcoin. If we can break 8,500, big if, man. Huge if. We got a real good shot of running to that area. 9,000 to 10,000 if you break 8,500. But that's, again, that is no simple. One does not simply break overhead resistance at 8,500, man. All right, as Boromir would say. You got Boromir written all over your face, dude. That's such a Boromir thing to say. Am I watching GOT tonight? Did Grizzly Adams have a beard? I'll answer that way, alright? Okay, so Bitcoin's pulling back. Alright, just can't do super tough resistance to break. How's XRP faring with the craziness? Alright, just going sideways, right? After a nice move up. Again, your 62% retrace is 43.421 cents. If one was just trading, right, just trading a falling wedge, the first target, the primary target from the high to low would be 50%. Secondary target is 43.421 cents. All right, so we're almost there, halfway. Well, halfway between the 50% and 618, right? So, Mr. Big Man, crypto dopamine. I have not been to Europe, man, and would love to go someday. All right. Because I know it's lit. Why did Matic stall sideways during this Bitcoin pump? Because it's been going insane. It's been on a nice run. And again, it's really just a flavor of the second coin. It will have its run, and then it will eventually dump and just look like the rest of the S coins in time. Just give it time, man. It's like, remind me in 6 months what Matic looks like. Okay. Grizzly Adams did have a beard. Well, there you go. So that means, yes, I am watching God tonight. All right. MIT friend is coming over to watch it with me, and we're going to try to get these crash logs figured out. So next time it does happen, the crash, the PC crash, I'll be better equipped to be able to figure out what the problem is, all right? So, no, I do not email. Look, chat, there are 1,244 people here. So look, you can all hear me. You will never receive an email from me, okay? You won't. So if someone is pretending to be me, emailing you, it's a scammer, and they're using my name to try to get you to lower your guard so you give up your private keys or whatever. I do not do that, will not do that, and I'm just letting it be known right now amongst a very large audience of people that I don't do that, all right? I don't email. So it's not me. Okay, are we cool, chat? Just letting y'all know. Hey, man, chat was saying yesterday or 2 days ago, so, hey, man, Ray, it looks like you made it, man. People are impersonating you, trying to scam people. We did it, man. We did it. Confetti. All right. Aaron Pause, that's not true at all, man. We actually, we hit 3,000 for like, 3,000 viewers last weekend for like, I don't know, like 20 seconds, but it seemed like it was a bot, right? We're right at the average we were at last weekend. Okay, so not way less at all. So, what's up, Crash? What? Yeah, I was talking about you, dude. PC Crash. Death to scammers, man. Oh, John Doe, you serious, man? You really think that? There are multiple people that have pretended to be me. So it's funny that you're acting so pretentious to act like you actually know, dude. All right. What's up, Mooncalm?
Ray, spend a night with my wife and I will raise your child as my own.
Okay, man, just PM me in Discord, dude. Kappa. Thanks for the 10 Australian dollars, mate. Much love, dude. Many Kappas. Good God. We're at it again, T-Span. Yes, we are. We're at it. Dude, rejecting 82.84. 39 minutes left on the weekly, the daily, the 4 hour, the 60 minute. Okay. It's coming. Up 13.35% today, Bitcoin. Guess what? Ripple's up 14.37% today. Yeah, Laszlo, that was it, dude. We did it, man. Double top, here we go again. I know. Oh, dude, I'm on. We got time. We got a little time left. It's got to happen, though, right? Well, I'm being pretentious because I'm literally trying to forewarn a lot of people that if they get an email from me, it's not me. John Doe, really? That doesn't even make sense. Because we can, like, show it. There was someone called Mitch ARY23 at Gmail that was going around posting. We got him banned. And now there's someone else, this like Mitch Ray Crypto at gmail.com trying to scam people. So I'm not. How are you talking out of your butt when you say that? Someone talks out of their butt when they say, "No, you're not. You're not. No one's pretending to be you," but like literally they are. So I'm just trying to help people. What's up, I Rodriguez? Why are y'all saying WTF, man? Maybe did that TTS. That's kind of got me, man. Okay, so here we go. Have they started talking about things yet? Remember, chat. How will Bitcoin price respond to the 60-minute segment? It hasn't happened yet, right? They're talking about Russians and Sputniks and stuff, right? There it is. If you want to vote, you can. 159 votes right now. So see if you can move the meter. All right. Most of y'all say it's going to be good, but how can it be good if we're at overhead resistance after being up almost 15% today? How do you break overhead resistance and run a 9K when you're already at 15% on the day? Dude, that would be insane. I don't know how you do it. Like, it's just going to be crazy, man. Look at that, the rejection, man. It's XRP, not Ripple. It's Ripple, XRP. Blah, 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 blah. Okay. Well, I'll just say what it is to piss you off, okay? Because every time I say XRP, people say it's Ripple. I say Ripple, people say it's XRP. All right? No winning. There's no winning. Oh, yeah, dude. I've talked about XRP like 5 times today. People are trickling in, you know? So, not a big deal. What's up, A-Day? Mr. Big Man. Gopher Delivery. Welcome. Ken Elliott. Dang, dude. A lot of good people in here. A lot of new people. No faces, man. Even bad news from 60 Minutes might bring us down short term. But I don't know, man. Like, dude, daily is a big deal. Like, this here, that's like double top stuff. You can't do that. Like, you really can't reject these prices. I mean, that right there, dude. A daily double top, that can be devastating. That could kill your price action. That could kill this trend. You do not want to confirm to this market that you can't break this area. Alright. And again, we got 36 minutes until this huge daily candle closes. Alright. Call it banker coin. Uh-oh. Shots fired, man. Shots fired. It's BTC, not Bitcoin. There you go, dude. Exactly. Hey, I'm on. Weekend manipulation, algo doing their best to wrecked. I don't know, man. I'm on. Like, maybe. You think so? You may not. It might have actually. You don't know if it's bots or not, dude. Could have definitely been people. They did it last weekend. Doing it again this weekend. All right. What about VeChain, Sir Charles? Yeah, dude. It's doing like exactly what everyone else is doing. All the other assets, right? I mean, everything, dude. Everything's up like around 10+% today. Poor Bat's only up 2% today. Yeah, and Dash is up 20 freaking %. Wow. Rising through methods, all kid, man. What, on the daily? No, it can't be, right? It has to, or you saying the weekly, maybe? No, not the weekly. What? What are you talking about? 4 hours? No, it might not even be Bitcoin you're talking about, so I don't know. Sorry.
Hope well, Mitch, if BTC closes below the resistance of 8,284, would you say another 20% plus drop is coming?
It's very possible, man. It's very possible. Rejecting an overhead resistance on a daily time scale for the second time. It's very bad. All right, very, very bad. But again, just as we say that, we could close right at it, and this next weekly candle in time, we could break it and run to the upside, right? So, same thing with the daily. We could close and then start running when the new daily opens. But if we show enough rejection up here, remember we got 3 daily rejection wicks last time? This time we're just now approaching it for the first time. So it's going to be interesting to see what the next couple of days give us at this area of resistance, right? So, gotta wait for like confirmation. "60 Minutes is fake news." I know but it's interesting though. Though they are fake news, they do have like a huge audience and they're covering something we care about. So that is interesting, right? Doesn't it seem weird and scripted, like the Truman Show? What has happened in crypto in the last 3 weeks? Seems like lots of things happening all at the same time. James Frey, want to talk more about you comparing Truman Show to Bitcoin? Tell me more. Like, what do you mean? Talk more about the Bitcoin side, James. Interesting. Very interesting. Amon Singh, you're saying 9,400 target if daily weekly close above it. Yep, but that's a big if, man. A big if. 32 minutes left. Some crazy stuff's got to happen, man. Really crazy stuff. So, Lou, what do you say? It might be halfway through an hourly head and shoulders pattern. Yeah, you'd have to sell off all the way back down to really 7,800 or so, and then rally again. But it's all, you don't even know, man, right? Until you form that collar, that second collar of the neckline, we haven't even developed that yet. So very potential, right? But a good eye. We could see it, man. Maybe.
American my island. I've returned to spread Lord Ray's word. I believe we are heading to new ATHs in time, and the crypto faithful will be rewarded again.
Wow, that's one heck of a projection, right? Polyworld, to say that we're going to all-time highs again on this run? I don't know, man. I don't know. It's been a really nice ride from January 29th. If it all stopped today, I'd be happy. I mean, I'm not going to be upset, dude. I mean, there's been so much opportunity this whole year for longs. Whereas last year, there was like there were like 3 different runs where longs had opportunities, and they were easily visible. They were like, we could identify them pretty easily in time. We had all the quintuple, MACD, bullish divergence, remember the inverse head and shoulders, the falling wedges we had before the huge breaks to the upside. So there was opportunity last year, but just not near as much opportunity as we're seeing in 2019, which is so refreshing, right? And that's what I'm saying. Like, if it all came crashing down and ended right here, I can't complain, because my first year creating content was nothing but death, pain, and despair for anyone wanting to be long in crypto. All right, so I'm already very grateful for what this market's done this year. What's up, Crypto Sosa, man? Thanks for joining. So if he says it's pushing on BitMEX again, well, it's pushing a little bit on Coinbase. It's trying anyway. Again, right at 82.84. That's huge, dude. Dude, 9470 subs, 30 away from 9,500. Are you kidding me, chat? Sub spike? Are we going to be Kangs? The road to 10,000 for Bitcoin? The road to 10,000 subs for us? Good God. James of the water cooler? I don't know, man. You might have to figure out. I'm sure someone could probably make it happen. Okay. Interesting. Dude, thanks for the 500 freaking likes, chat. Thank y'all. Zavad, man, yeah, there was time, dude. There was time. Well, hey, man, guess what, Justin? Good luck. That's really high risk. I'm just saying. What's your target if a daily double top happened, Jerome? Oh, dude, if a double top happened, because you know you're not talking about a double bottom. That doesn't make sense. I think you just misworded it. It's all potential, too, right? Because, look, it could be a potential double top. And what do you even do with a wick, man? That means, like, if you double topped here, whatever, and sold off, then it's like this would be the neckline of the double top, which makes it really weird. And so if you broke that, that'd be a ridiculous move for, like, so your measure moves, like, between 80, 100, and 6,600. That's a very steep drop to the downside, like 5,100. But dude, it's all potential, and we don't even know yet if it's valid. Like, we don't even know if we're done running here. But definitely rejecting 82.84, rightly so. Okay. Can I fib my subs? I don't think so, man. There's no chart for my subs, so no. Crypto Ninja, that's a good question. I don't think so, man, but maybe. Well, so many institutions have bought Bitcoin, right, Alfonso? We can only bounce between 8,400 and 7,800 for so long, Bob K. Hey, we got to break out. You got to break, Sin. I mean, like, dude, you're running back up. Your daily rally, right? This is the rally on the daily that you're saying, okay, we double topped on here on a shorter time scales, 1 hour and 4 hour. Okay, sold off. We got a divergence and all that. But here's the daily pivot. And we're running again. And it's like, again, daily time scale. Are you confirming to the market that this is the top? Because you could very well be in the midst of confirming to the market that this is the top. A double top just confirms. And that's why a lot of people take shorts at double tops. What's up, Huckleberry Man? Thanks, Kenneth Goodson. Thanks for tuning in. Okay, Osmond, man. Based on what? Just stuff? There you go, man. Look at that. All kinds of pullback. We got as high as 83.13. Now we're down to 82.15. All right, about $100. The swing on the 60 minute. 27 minutes left. All right. Oh, okay, sure, dude. Yep, trade war is affecting the crypto market. Yeah, maybe a little bit. People don't know how much money things will start costing, so extra money to invest in cryptos. Maybe it might be just affecting the stock market more so too, right? I think the US dollar is bounced back too. Thank you. A lot of chat, man. Thank you all for being here. Really appreciate it. All 1,271 of y'all. All right. What's up, MJCJ? And we're just covering this live, man. Just relax. Dude, I thought it was just going to be a relaxing Saturday night stream. Nope. Relaxing Sunday afternoon stream. Getting ready for GOT. Gonna go get some dinner in a little while. I mean, it's going to be a jam-packed evening of entertainment. But it looks like Bitcoin wanted to say, wait, even more entertainment by rallying some more. All right. When is the halving for Bitcoin again? 2020 or 2021, whatever. Crumb of God, welcome. Thank you for watching, man. Well, we just talked about the SPY a minute ago, or not a minute ago, probably like 30, 40 minutes ago, and the S&P 500, it fell out of a rising wedge on shorter time scale, hit a major move and bounced, but it's only making lower highs than its previous highs. All right, here's your spider again one more time. This is the S&P 500, right? It's a major index, and pattern hit its targets and bounced, but it's only making a lower high than its previous highs, and closed with some weakness on Friday. And the market doesn't open till Tuesday because we have a Memorial Day tomorrow. And there's Bitcoin rejecting very critical resistances. Makes sense. Showing red now for the first time of the 60-minute candle. Robert A could be a fake out, man. I mean, this is not the price action you're wanting to see at resistance, and the problem is you ran up too high too fast in such a short period of time, man. Like, if it could have been a methodical march up and you were ready to go, you're just not showing around. 60 minutes showing a little bit of bearish divergence. High on price, higher high on price, lower levels of relative strength right now. What? TLC, you Litecoin halving in 78 days, Kevin Phillips. Thanks for that. Oh, Memorial Day is next week? Nuh-uh. Is it really? Okay, so market's open tomorrow. Dude. Freaking Larley, man. Okay. Shit's about to go volatile. Dude, it's holding the 886, right? It just look, it hit the 886 and bounced off it as support, whatever. Alright? It happens. What's up, Shalon Peroni? Mark Anthony? Emaranto? Thanks for the sub, dude. Welcome.
Thanks for your consistency, Mitchman. Very, very, very much appreciate all your hard work, brother.
Well, thank you for always being here and getting value out of the stream, man, right? You know, like streams like this, you know, it's more so just like live coverage of the asset, but there are streams where we don't have much action going on, and those are the majority of the streams, and so we spend that time investing in ourselves. And Shalon, I know you've come a long way, like many others here. Okay. Robel, I don't even know what that means, dude. Hey, Ryan, R-I-A-N, Higgins. Thanks for the kind words, man, and thanks for being here, dude. All right, we're just looking at Bitcoin. It's trying. It's a kind of pathetic attempt of breaking critical overhead resistances. There's a lot of them up here. Tons of turbulence. Paulin, welcome, man. Thank you, dude, for the sub. Yeah, it is kind of scrubby, isn't it? Crypto hippie. This, we gotta go, man. Gotta see a lot more. And dude, again, I know we don't really care much about volume too much because most of it's traded OTC, but it'd be really nice to see some exchange volume come in. All right, I'm just saying. XRP to sit? I don't know, man. Dude, XRP is right back at the same spot it's been at, dude. Oh, it's sold off, man. It's like bear staying golfing on the 60-minute, all right? So, okay. Some altcoins looks like aren't responding as well as that Bitcoin. Move back a little bit, right? That's not good. No, it's like not a big deal, though. It's the ebbs and flows, the ups and downs, man. And thanks for the 1,300 people tuned in right now. Really appreciate y'all. Hit that like button, that bell, that sub, man. If you're enjoying Bitcoin price action, attempting to break a red resistance. Is this Game of Thrones price action, dude? Maybe so, dude. Alright, TL, be careful, man. That's right, Vegas meetup at 10K. We'll probably be shooting for somewhere in like August for that, just because it'll give people time. We'll be able to schedule and plan so rates aren't insane. But yeah, man, that was going to be part of it. No, Nick Robot, I do not. Tim Higgins. Here. Say it. I did it, man. Ocean Wi-Fi. Thanks for tuning in, man. Alright, so just, pulling back, 60 minute, no big deal. 20 minutes, just because Bitcoin pulled back too some, man, but whatever, man. I mean, you are kind of diverging a little bit, high on price, higher high on price, lower levels, relative strength, lower levels, positive momentum. But we don't really know if, 60 minute isn't that great. I mean, it definitely will play a role on divergence, but it's much stronger on the 4 hour and daily, so. Eklund, if you read that, if price breaks resistance right through, it's a bull trap. But if it stays at resistance and hugs it, yeah, we would hug resistance. Yeah, but dude, you can't reject it 3 times. Rejection's terrible, man. Like we rejected it last time on Bitcoin.
After watching your stream, I took my girl out on a date. Came home, put my hands down her pants, and it felt like feeding a horse. What are your thoughts?
Ivan, I don't know, man. That's not, there are plenty of dating shows that will probably know what to do, man. I'm just, I don't even hear what you said or read that. What is it? You're probably in a lot of trouble, man. All right? Probably in lots of trouble. You've been misled. Okay? There was no, pot of gold. Or something. Maybe there is. I don't know, dude. Whatever you're into, dude. Wow. You think Bitcoin is like the Truman Show because it's not as decentralized as everybody thinks? Only thing is the transaction. There are special interests behind Bitcoin that are guiding its direction, price shows. Okay. And so Bitcoin itself is Truman then, or something? Wow. Chat. What would you do, man, if you were feeding a horse or something? Okay. What would you do if you were Bitcoin and you couldn't break 82, 84? Not good, man. Not good, man. Alright, chat. Looks like y'all are having a blast with that one, man. God. Is there TA of dating? We could probably create a charge, right? Probably create a charge. Hello, Adrian Pent. Welcome. Are they? Have they done it yet? Has 60 Minutes done its thing yet? It's probably the last one, right? They're like, hey, yes, everyone cares about Bitcoin. The people that care about it, how that we're gonna make them wait through this entire show. This entire effing show, and they get to be exposed to all those ads. Oh, all the ads, man. Do I think we retest again right now? No telling, man. That's not, like, I don't do, hey, are we going to predict that we're going to back test 82, 84 again? We already tested it twice, I think, and failed. So, 18 minutes left on your weekly candle, your 4-hour candle, and your daily candle, all right? Still holding above that 886 for now, I guess. You can't see the chart. What's the Bitcoin US dollar price right now? 81.97, man. We were up 15%. We're only up almost 13% right now. They're at a commercial right now. Oh, I could have told you that, Joe, and not even be watching it, okay? Like, over half the show is ads, not programming. So you're paying money to be exposed and brainwashed by ads. It's beautiful, dude. It's on right now. Here we go, baby. Here we go. I don't know, man. I can play the audio, but I can't play the video. So we'll see, TX Ripper, man. We're going. All right, so all right, if it's starting now, we're looking at Bitcoin price 81.99. Where are we going, dude? Remember, y'all, majority of you said it would be positive, so you're at an overhead resistance and you think it's going to be positive. All right, majority of people here, the minority said we would sell off. What's up, Honorel? Of course, they're going to talk about the 10,000 Bitcoin pizza guy. Yeah, dude, of course. Do I have ads on my channel? No. I mean, unless YouTube does it, I don't monetize J-Hands. No, I do not. This community has made it to where I don't have to ever do that. Okay, I don't have to shill S-coins or any crypto-related projects. I don't have to do that. Yes, the beef, yes. That surprises you? I thought it was like that everywhere in the world. Can someone send me the audio link or something? Do not play audio or video? Not worth the risk? Okay, never mind. I won't play it then. Whatever. I'm being advised not to. Freaking cable, man. They would try to shut down the stream. Right, for that. What was it? Brooklina says the 60-minute folks are going to need time to get off the couch. Call a friend who knows how to buy it on Coinbase or somewhere. Yeah, dude, give me that Bitcoin, man. At overhead resistance, probably double topping on the daily time scale, man. Do it. Not a good idea. Okay, man. Not good. 15 minutes left on your 60-minute candle, and you're rejecting overhead resistance now. What? The news interrupted your 60 minutes? How? Jason, how'd that happen? There you go, Pattern Seeker, man. What do you mean, Joe Lewis? You can watch it right now. What? Oh, Pepe Cash, man. Dude, I learned what Pepe Cash was, and that was kind of funny, man. That's, like, really funny, actually. Hilarious meme coin. What's up, Crypto Hunter? Watching on YouTube? What? Yeah, dude, I can't do Twitch because Restream's all bugged out. It's messed up. It's like ruining my streams. So I'm like exclusive on YouTube right now. What's up, Villainy? Welcome. Oh my god, Scraps G, but dude, it's like you're that kind of thinking though, you'll never win. Think about it. You could have been successful this time because you flipped a coin and you were right. But dude, taking a 100-time position 2 hours ago on BitMEX, what if it went the other way? You'd have lost so much, man. You've been liquidated. So, and then you keep doing that over and over and over, dude. Good luck, man. Good luck with a trading career. Going 100-time long position, 100-time leverage every time. Dude, what's the news? What is the news, man? What's up, Emery? No, not yet. Not yet. Sorry, you must break a resistance zone before you break to 9 to 10K. Sorry, you're just not doing it right now. They're explaining what Bitcoin is right now. Oh, okay, well, that's good, man. Educating the masses. Dude, 5 more subs till 9,500. Are you kidding, chat? Thank y'all so much for all the new subs, the likes, the love, support. It's unreal, man. Really. Matic's not really crushing it. It's going sideways, but it was doing well. Yes. Skyward, yes. No. It's 8 Central, 9 Eastern. So I got like an hour and 15 minutes left or something like that. Okay. Or we do, all of us do. Alex Cobman King, where do you watch? CBS. But I don't know, someone might have the link, but dude, links get wrecked here, so. But you're a mod, so you'd be able to click on something if you wanted to, alright? So, alright, man, Dojian, we just don't know what to do with 12 minutes left. It's like the whole world's holding its breath for the scrubs on 60 Minutes to talk about what Bitcoin is. People know what Bitcoin is, man. We're gonna go to the moon. So what's gonna happen? 12 minutes left. Bashi J, thanks, man. And who was that before? That's weird. Laszlo, why does it say you sub to the channel? That's really weird. Thanks for the 1,300 people tuned in right now. Y'all are amazing. Dude. Oh my god, we made it, man. Mohammed, man, what's up, man? Thank you, dude. Mohammed Rayan? Have I Rayaned before? My last name's Ray. We have a similar last name, dude. Maddox is insane. Are you nuts? No, but I know what S-Coins do when they are created. They do things like this sometimes, and then give it 6 months, dude, and then they're back to irrelevance. It happens. Yeah, it has. Okay, it did moon, but why did my stuff not save? Oh my god, are you kidding me? Yeah, we did break the channel. Looks like we maybe back tested the channel after last night. Yes, you broke it and you hooked off of it. Oh my god, dude. You can talk about Matic, what Matic Coin actually did, man. And I'll show you. We always talk about break, hook, and go confirmation. And dude, this wasn't a 60-minute scrub. This was on Matic. Look, you broke out. Break. You hooked twice. And then you go. Right now, you're bullishly engulfing on the 60-minute. Fibonacci, no way to do it. I mean, like, you can. And you can say, like, I think we exceeded the 2618. Was that Renewable Guy? Hey, Renewable Guy, thanks for the 58.9% of 1 XRP on the XRP tip bot, man. Thank you, dude. All you can do here, seriously, such little information or little data. Right, you broke the 2618. Next target's the 3618 at 2285 if you can get there. But this is a big deal. A break, hook, and go confirmation is very real right there. All right, 4 hour, 10 minutes left. Jeez, man. Matic Connect. Also Puka Fish. Dang, man. Talisman? What are you talking about? Faith Talisman, Deborah? What about crystals, man? What about all the energy crystals? Do I think it's going to keep up, David? Really hard to say, man. Alright. The only way you're getting above this is with an extreme amount of buying pressure. And it's not one resistance, it's like 4 different ones on a daily time scale, and that's what's tough. Okay? Real tough. On the daily, real quick, I think we're at the second one. Look, no, the third one maybe? Okay, we're the second. We only hit the third one time. So we haven't even gotten to the upper echelon of the overhead resistance zone. Right, again, 8,500 being the top. You only got to like that second, the candle high close from July. There are 2 different candle high closes, all right? But you're just rejecting these prices right now. And we look left real quick so you can see. Dang, dude. You see what I'm talking about? They're just, it's not a simple overhead resistance. It's very tough because it wasn't just like here, easy, right? Real easy to signify the overhead resistance, right? It's just a candle high close and a wick, right? Easy. Down here, kind of easy too, right? All right, easy. But here, a lot more complex, like a run up, a breakdown, a lower high, failed pathetic rally, and then dumped. So you just create yourself a huge zone of resistance. And right now, we are rejecting all 4 trend lines, aren't we? Yes, 8230 or below that now. Not good. Include the wicks? I did. I included the wicks. Everything is included in this thing that has been broken. What you talking about, man? Major pump incoming KSP. I don't know, man. I guess it would be Monday. So we're going to be, maybe the weekly's closing and it's Monday. H is waking up. And we've got 7 minutes left, dude, until we reject prices higher than the over resistance zone. Okay. It's got to break at some point. It doesn't have to. If there's not enough buying pressure to get you above this extreme amount of resistance, no, you don't have to. You can break down, sell off, and reject it. $60 minutes is clueless. Dude, as long... Look, all 60 minutes has to do is not take an S on crypto, show it in a neutral stance, and just talk about what it is. That's all it has to do, man. All right? All Bitcoin has to do is break above 4 different crazy resistance trend lines, which it hasn't done at all. So I don't know what to tell you, man. We're staring at Bitcoin unable to break crazy resistance. That's it. Yeah, that's a lot of work, man. Pulling up 3 different S coins. Really? While we're looking at Bitcoin? And 60 minutes is on? 60 minutes is not covering Matic, Celery coin, or Fentanyl coin, right?
Riding that train.
Hey, Kirby.
Sings now.
Kirby, man, thanks for the lead contribution. Really appreciate that Neo in the jar, man. Thank you, dude. Kirby Connect. Ed McCracken Connect. Thank you for the $2 super chat, man. I don't think they are. Doesn't sound like it. Is it just a hit piece, D-Tech? Can someone confirm? We got 5 minutes left. You're up 13.3%. Almost leet. And that's it, man. This blonde lady is backing up fiat like it's wonderful. Okay. There you go, man. Okay, did Bitcoin move? I guess it's not over yet. I guess we would have to let it be over. What's up, Muhammad? Yusuf? Wait, I thought you were already a part of the community, man. Drew, no, I think that's Lord, right? That's not Satoshi, alright? Good God, man. Can't keep up. So far on the poll, and of course it's not over, right? We can keep going. We do have our 200 votes on this poll. How will Bitcoin price respond to the 60-minute segment? 55% of y'all said it will be positive. 30% of y'all said no effect, so that's what I clicked. I also voted no effect. And then 40% of y'all said negative, so it seems like no effect's playing out right now, but again, is it self-fulfilling if it becomes negative because we reject, after making almost 15% gains today on Bitcoin and hitting an overhead resistance? Is it really negative? Like, did the hit piece, was it a hit piece that made the Bitcoin price actually go down, or was it just price action in itself, right? Self-fulfilling prophecy. All right, so. All right, man. Time will tell. Still holding. 4 minutes left. 82.26. There it could be, man. What's up, Nick P? Thanks, dude. Thanks for all the new subs. Really appreciate that. Holy crap, man. 9511 subs, man. Less than 500 away from the big 10K. I can't believe y'all. Thank you so freaking much for all the support. Y'all amazing. It's like a dream, dude. Wrestling, you agree, no effect? We'll see, man. Right. A good short segment. Are you punning? Are you joking? Right? Where it's like, it's a good segment to short or something, Kappa? Okay, so it's over. It wasn't really a hit piece. There you go. It wasn't a negative. All right, so consensus is starting to come into the chat now that it wasn't so negative after all. And Bitcoin is just struggling at that 88.6% retrace. Can't break it, man, on the 4 hour. Anderson Cooper is FOMOing. Do we really want Bitcoin to go up then if he's FOMOing, dude? Wouldn't we want it to dump on his head if he FOMOed? Drew B, thanks for the sub, man. Really appreciate it. Okay, thanks for chiming in on chat. Not enough people, when they sub, say anything on chat. Okay, like, hey, man. Chris Vagese? Chris Vagese? Oh, thank you for the $2 super chat, man. Much love. You think I deserve 30k subs? I don't know, man. Like, if, dude, it would play out if there's demand for it, you know? If not, no big deal. But I'll tell you this, man. I can't, does anyone else, I think I've lost my mind, but I don't ever look at weird, like, really too weird stuff. Look, what was the guy's name? I don't even know his name, but he always shows up in my recommended now, and I don't know, I have no idea why, and he's probably showed up on yours too. What's the chug guy? He like chugs, he's like this obese man who chugs all these weird things. I can't even remember. What's his name, chat? Y'all know what I'm talking about. He shows up in your feeds now all the time, and you didn't do anything to deserve it. Badlands Chugs. Oh my, dude, this guy. Dude, I don't know why this guy shows up on my streams now, or on my, like, feeds. Look, this is what he does. He just chugs soda and weird things, okay? And I have no idea how all of a sudden I'm seeing it or everyone else is seeing it now. Please tell me, no, it's like Shoe Nice 2019 version, but not for liquor, but for diabetes, the slow killer, right? Oh my God, could you imagine chugging all that fructose, that sugar, man? Your poor pancreas, dude. I'm doing this for fair use. So when I do it like this, I don't have to. 29 seconds he chugged it. Are you kidding? Okay, that's like Bitcoin on this run today. Bitcoin chugged 4 orange sodas, and it's up nearly 13%. But man, not good. Not good to see with 25 seconds left on our weekly candle, man. That rejection, not good. Dude, it is sickening, but again, it's just like, why in the F is every time I pull up my YouTube, like, homepage, there he is with a new video, and it's like, dude, I never looked at this stuff. It's YouTube suggesting based on chug keywords. Oh yeah, well, I don't, maybe it's the algorithms because I say chug, but we don't ever type chug, so... And guess what? We've been doing the same thing for a long time, so this is new. All right, y'all, chat. The weekly has closed. How did the weekly close? Not maybe the way you wanted it, right? This is your weekly candle. It said, okay, we're at resistance, and we closed below it, below the resistance. The daily, double topping. We are, for now, double top. Of course, we just break through and run, but again, you're kind of confirming, okay, man, this is the top for now, maybe, but bullish engulfing candle, so more can manifest to it. Okay, man, so major candles are closed. You bullishly engulfed on the 4 hour, but you're at critical resistance. All right, positive momentum, pretty nice. Not overbought on the 4 hour either. Interesting. But the 60 minutes is the only thing that looks kind of gross, right? That's like shooting star stuff. Shooting star bearish reversal. Hopefully it's scrubby, but dude, that's 2 rejections up there. And it's not a significant time scale, right? Diabetes, man. Should we pull it up? Do I still have him? Yeah, here he is. One word, diabetes, man. It's the same guy, man. It's the same freaking guy. Whoa. That was crazy. I never locked anything before on OBS. What? I should lock things. I don't know why I don't do that enough. Keto is effing horrible. Better than chugging. Shooting star reversal. Selling off. 81.50. Okay, is the party over? The hit piece did nothing. Okay, so you all know, chat. You all know the winners are what you most medium suspected. No effect. 61 of you. Big round of applause.
Please clap.
It didn't do anything, man. Nothing. Make a Chugman meme. It's gonna be me versus that guy. All right. Dude, that's just nuts though. I had to bring that up because I'm just like, why in the F do I keep seeing this guy? Like every day. And he comes out with new, he's like chugging new stuff every day. Does this mean we're gonna crash? It doesn't have to be so hyperbolic, man. Just relax. It'll be okay. But again, if you're at overhead resistance and you're double topping on the daily, that's not normally a good thing. But again, I think the next couple of days we'll have way more understanding of where we're going. Here we go, man. Shooting star, 60 minutes. You're just selling off to 81 and change, right? Not down much, down like 67 bucks. Remember, you were up over $1,000 before this candle. This new daily candle opened, all right? Hey, what's up, Two Tacos, man? About to be going to get some dinner. And then after that, it's going to be God, man. Yeah, there's bearish divergence on the, look, man. High on price. Higher high on price. Lower levels of relative strength. That is bearish divergence. And look at the 4 hour. Unreal. You can barely even see the positive momentum on higher prices. It's pathetic. From this peak to this next higher peak, there's no positive momentum compared. So that's Class A bearish divergence on the 60 minute. Rustlin P says, thanks for your stream. Good stuff. Thank you, man, for the $2 super chat, man. Really appreciate that. Very cool. This is hyperbolic. I'm saying hyperbole. Oh, it's going to crash. It's going to pump. It's going to the moon. It's going to heck, right? It can be like, it's going to lower prices and then can go to higher prices and lower prices again. It's not like going to zero right now, right? Too much of that. Moon calm. Getting there, man. Yeah, JGN, that's what I do, man. Try to break it down to the best of my ability. How's that jar looking? It's getting full, man. It's getting full. Hat time may be coming, but I think we're running out of time. Like the gap is still there. There's still plenty of gap left in the jar, and I'm like, my IT guy's coming to pick me up. I'm like blocked in my house because all the deck materials. Like, you know, I'm getting my deck redone, like rebuilt completely. So like when they quit on Thursday, Friday, it was just like, do you forget everything? I can't move. I'm stuck here. Hey, Manimal, dude, what's up, dude? 8100 sold off. Shooting star. Waiting 85. Doesn't look too promising right now, does it? But hey, man, just give it time. And I'm just saying, we just closed the daily up like 15% at the critical resistance, and on the 60 minute you could see we rejected it. We also rejected it on the 4 hour. All right, so we're below 8100, 8050, 8040. Okay, divergence playing out pretty well for the 60 minute, right? That was not the close you were looking for, chat. It was not the close you wanted to see. And you cannot blame this on 60 minutes. It was not 60 minutes. It was totally the weekly closing and the new weekly beginning, the new daily beginning, bouncing off the 20 moving average and breaking through it right now. All right, 8,000 below it now. Okay, the double top, the dreaded double top, man. Daily double top. That's what it looks like on the daily. Not good, man. The rally, the failed rally, are you confirming to the market that this is the top? That's what double tops mean, man. That's the psychology of them. So, but dude, it's like there's so much time left. It can do anything. 4 hour, look. Are you bullishly engulfed, and are you beginning to bearishly engulf? What does this bullish engulfing mean? Nothing, man, on the 4 hour? Might mean nothing. We never got overbought either. It was really the 60 minute that was helping us see what was going on. It's not dropping that hard, man. It's down 2%. About $167.
Saved a lot thanks to you, mate. Cheers.
Thanks, Mooncalm, man, for the $6.90. I really appreciate that. Thank you, dude. Kangs. It's gonna break through. Which way, Andrewport? Which way? So look, just bouncing off the 20 moving average. Nothing too crazy right now. Bullish conditions, but dude, you know it's a brick wall up here between 82 and 8,500. Brick wall. Roll back 60 minutes. Dude, 60 minutes did nothing, man. Absolutely nothing in this market. That's right, Bitcoin was up 12%. What's everyone scared about? But the problem is the way we did it, the way we got up there was so too abrupt, too fast. When you run too look, so when you have huge green candles and you run up to critical resistance after getting like overbought and stuff, like that's what we call exhaustion impulses. Exhaustion candles. Because by the time you get up to those critical resistances after you've already run up too much too fast, you just don't have anything left in the tank to break that overhead resistance to run again, right? So maybe up here if we can just stall around for a little bit, and then we eventually break, that'd be wonderful, right? But we just know, at least we know what happens if we do break it, right? 9,000, boom, instantly. 9,500, boom, real fast. Okay, my IT guy friend, he's both. He's here, and I gotta go. Chat, I do have to go. I'm sorry. Like, thank you for the 1,300 people tuned in right now. I really appreciate you. This is insanity, but I gotta get some dinner because Game of Thrones, guess what, is in less than an hour. And then after that, I gotta stream again tonight at 11 p.m. Eastern. Okay, so if you're new, I stream twice a day, 6 p.m. Eastern and 11 p.m. Eastern. So I'll be back tonight after Game of Thrones. So don't worry, man, or woman. So, dude. He's like outside, like he's in my driveway. So, man, I cut this like, you know, thank you all for the contributions tonight. All right. I just got no more time. So, freaking love y'all. Thank you so much. We're 9534 subs. We're less than 500 subs away from 10K. Let's get a sub spike. We'll see how fast we can get to 10K. Can we beat Bitcoin to 10,000? It'd be an awesome feat. All right. Thank you all so much. Really appreciate each and every one of you. We'll get through this, man. Will we double top or will we break to legend status? Okay. 8,500 is the mark. Set your alerts up. Y'all are amazing. So I'll be back tonight, 11 Eastern. Till then, respect, T.A.
That boy is good.
My name is JP. I am a robot. I like robots. I have a robot vagina.
Adios, turd nuggets.